Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Warren Guitar Tokyo Hotel. It's been with us here before or they, but it was a while ago, a long time ago actually. Now he's back with How to Love. So yeah, I play this one on my little different guitar here from TYMA, cool and different. I thought it fits this song as well. So let's go into it. And as you can see, no need for any capo here, 5 chords, that's what we need. Let's go into them. Starting with G. So that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is A. So that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have E minor next, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have D as well, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have the bar chord of B minor. That's an index finger on the 2nd fret. You push down the first 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this, and then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. So there you have the chords, and yes, this is actually a great guitar song. You hear the strumming very clearly. We're going to look into that now. We're going to start that with the first chord, which is the B minor. So if you grab the B minor, one string around goes like this. Okay, so I play a bit with a muted style, so we're going to come to that soon, but first let's learn the strumming. And you're going to start with 2 downs, and then comes up, up, a short pause, and then up, down. And that is how the strumming ends. So down, down, up, 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 down. And that part, up, 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 down, I want to to do it a little bit of a jumpy feeling, like slash muted. So I lift off the tension a little bit from my strings here on my fretboard. So I get this killed sound, so to speak, and it gets a little bit jumpy on the surface like that, and that is how I do it. So you can go with that style as well, or just skip it and just go up, 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 down. It will sound like this. Sounds great anyway. Now let's go into the song and start with the first verse. You have B minor, 2 string rounds, G1, and E minor 1. You're gonna play that part for 2 rounds like this. That is 1 round. You double up for 2, and that's the first verse. Into the first pre-chorus at 22 seconds in. I didn't see it coming. That's where we're on the lyric. You're gonna play B minor 2, G1, and then A1. And you're gonna play that part for 2 rounds. So let's go. That is 1 round, you double up for 2, and that takes you to the first chorus. Okay, so that's about 39 seconds in. Tell me how to fall in love. That's where we're on the lyric. Now you're gonna play G1, then E minor 1, then B minor 1, and D1. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds. Let's go for 1 round like this. So 3 rounds of that, and that is the first round. Now you jump back into the second verse, and that one is played exactly the same way as the first one. No changes there. And then you don't have any second pre-chorus. We're gonna skip that and jump right into the second chorus. And the second chorus is just repetition. No changes there. So you just play the second chorus in the same way as you play the first one. And then after that, you go into a pre-chorus actually. So that pre-chorus is played in this way. B minor, A, G, and E minor. Okay, and here you can play one down per chord. I will do that, but you can also hear in the same time you have a really neat strumming in the background where you play B minor 1, A1, G1, and E minor 1. So if you choose to go that, then you can play very lightly on the strings, one string around per chord. So either one down of B minor, A, G, E minor, or one strumming around. And you're gonna do that for 2 chord progression rounds, okay? So 2 chord progression rounds of that B minor, A, G, and E minor. And after that, you have the final chorus left. What you're going to play here is to play exactly the same way as the first 2 choruses, but only for the first 2 rounds. So G1, E minor 1, B minor 1, and D1. And after that follows kind of a chorus slash outro part when you shift and play G1, E minor 1, B minor 1, A1 for 2 rounds. And that, my friends, is how you handle Tokyo Hotel's How to Love. This is how to educate you guys. I try to do my best, simple as possible. So if you have any inputs of my way of teaching, then feel free to leave me a comment. I read everything. I also like the support you give me. So thank you for a thumbs up. And so if you subscribe, that's even better. So thank you for support. And until next time, play tuned.